Morning, Williams, Philippines. Uh, Hope you're doing good today. It's Friday at about 1 o'clock, Friday afternoon, March 21st, 2025. Boy, it's been a busy weekend between getting things taken care of and out, and I tore up carpet. I got the last bit of carpet out of the living room, and the entertainment center is gone. The bookshelf is gone. The two of the uh, end tables are gone. A third end table that doesn't have anything to do with that set is gone. A little magazine rack. What else? Oh, and the aquaponics. And it's all out on the curb, waiting for the trash man to come take it away. Plus, I had to move and pull all the carpet up and get it out there on the curb, too. And I got some of the old tile that was under most of it done. I ran out of time today. And I got some stuff out of the uh, aquaponics room I have. It's out, frame's gone. And yeah, got some more stuff pulled out of there and sorted. All I know is I probably shouldn't shake my shirt too much because I'd leave a dust cloud. I literally feel sticky. I just finished eating. Yeah, I just finished eating. Uh, Ran over, grabbed some uh, Chinese food. Because quite honest, I didn't have energy to cook. Oh, and I pulled a bunch of food out of my storage closet and the garage and loaded that into my car. I'm going to give that to one of the girls. Uh, yeah, it's a bit of a tiring day. Plus, with all the trash that I toted around to the back and everything that came out of the bookshelves, I threw a few books away. Really didn't want to, but it's like I collected them because, okay, first aid book. Nobody does first aid anymore. And I really don't care if somebody else, then they can go find it themselves. I could have probably sold that at a garage sale, but I was ready to get rid of it because I needed it out of the house. So out the door it went. Ugh, a lot of stuff went out the door. I almost threw away. Oh, damn. Did I get it out of my pocket? Where did I put it? Almost threw away a little screwdriver. It was hiding in the bookcase. I was wondering what was rattling. Yeah, been a bit of a day. All I know is I am tired. I'm going to get this in the can and start uploading it. Then I'm going to go clean up because I'm nasty. I mean, nasty. Quite honestly, between the dust coming off of the winds that we've had the last few days being kicked up and the dust I kicked up out of getting all this other stuff up and out, I'm surprised I'm not coughing my head off or choking because, yeah, it ain't good. But it is what it is. And fluids are very much good to help. Yeah, it's one of the things around here. High plains desert, dusty. I really want to be in a place where they have to try to create dust, or it really has to be, like hasn't rained in a month or 3 before they have dust clouds everywhere. Here, it's always dusty. I mean, the only time it's not dusty is when it rains and literally sticks it all as mud to everything. And yeah, all the dust that's been going around here lately. I just last week washed my car. I went like that on my back window and left trenches. There's no getting away from dust around here unless you just up and leave. And so that's one of the things I'm ready to do is go get away from all this dust. I want me a tropical island, and I want to be around green instead of dry, yellow, dusty stuff. But hey, it is what it is. I had a good weekend. I got some stuff done. I'm sore. Moving the bookcase out. Yeah, before getting that out was a lot of fun. Getting the getting the little radio or watch up on the charger. You used to just twist the knob when you needed to charge it, wind it up. Took about 20 seconds, 30 seconds. Now you got to put it on a charger for a couple hours. What's up with that? We take it off to charge it for an hour or two when we used to just be able to. And this is a convenience how? Yeah. I don't know. Strange things in life. Anyway, I've had a very busy weekend and got to dig a few things up and found things. So, yeah, I need to get over and give a bunch of things to a few folks I know. Maybe it'll help somebody. I don't know. Anyway, life is what it is. And yeah, it's crunch, it's epic. Live it. Enjoy living. That's what we're supposed to do. Have fun living. Sadly, a lot of folks don't know how to have fun, don't know how to enjoy life, choose to run around miserable all the time. I don't get it. Their problem, not mine. The most I'm going to do is say, hey, make better decisions, choose to be happy. It's a choice. Anyway, speaking of choice, I'm tired. I'm going to end this because I am choosing to go get my sticky, dusty, grimy self cleaned up. Because I really don't want to carry this off to bed. I'd kick me out of bed if I came to bed smelling like this. So, yeah. Anyway, I'm Williams, Philippines. A couple folks come in, joined here recently, back up to 242. So, yay. It is what it is. I hope you've had a blessed week and that it wasn't too hard on you. I hope you have a lot of fun with your weekend. If you want, come along for my insanities. And you have a good one. I'm William for Williams Philippines. Lots of food, lots of friends, lots of family. Oh, more food. I'm Fish. Fish is out.